1 pan cheesy beef, bean, and rice skillet. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe inspired by half-baked harvest every day. The first step is to chop your onion, garlic, and bell pepper. Next, you want to heat a little oil in an oven-safe skillet. I used a cast iron skillet. Heat the oil until shimmering and then add the onion and bell pepper. Cook just until the onion and pepper are beginning to soften, and then push them to one side of the skillet and add the ground beef. My beef was still a little frozen in the center, but it worked out fine. Cook the beef, breaking it into crumbles until it is no longer pink. You want to stir everything together in that process, and then add the garlic and the spices. That would be oregano, cumin, cayenne, salt, and pepper. Stir and cook for about 30 seconds or until quite fragrant, and then push the mixture to one side of the skillet again and add the rice. Give the rice a good stir, making sure that it gets coated in those pan drippings, and let it cook for maybe 1 to 2 minutes, keeping the beef and vegetable mixture mostly separate from the rice. If a little gets mixed in, that's okay. And then stir in the tomato paste and let that mixture cook for a minute or so, and then mix everything together. Add a bay leaf and 2 cups of water. Stir well, cover, and cook until most of the liquid is absorbed. You'll want to give it a stir every once in a while to keep it from sticking, but this is pretty hands off. The rice will take 15 to 20 minutes to cook. Remove that bay leaf and turn the heat off, and then add the beans and the zest and juice of 1 lime. Stir again, and then top everything evenly with cheese. I used Monterey Jack, but you could use another flavor if that's what you prefer. And then pop the skillet in the oven at 425 degrees for about 10 minutes, or just until that cheese is melted and golden. Serve your skillet topped with avocado, fresh herbs, and lime wedges for squeezing. I used oregano, but you could use parsley or cilantro or whatever fresh herbs you have. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.